Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, Tech, and as someone who's often doing multiple things on the go, a really good laptop is a must. A few days back, we actually posted something that may have caught your attention, and now we're happy to announce MSI's Modern 14 B11M, powered by the latest 11th generation Intel Core processors with Intel Iris Xe graphics. Now, I'm quite excited to get started, so why don't we begin by checking out what's inside the box.
Alright, so first things first, we have this simple box over here, and opening it up doesn't reveal anything much but the device itself, your 65-watt charger, and a bunch of styrofoam to keep the laptop in place. Great, now that's done, let's just get all this stuff out of the way. Now we also have some cloth to protect the device, and removing that reveals the carbon gray colorway that looks very cool. We also have bluestone and beige mousse color variants, but I'm really digging the one that we have with us right now. It features a solid military-grade aluminum chassis and comes with a matte texture to it that makes this guy not just look, but feel more professional as well. Looking over the sides, we do have a respectable amount of ports for you to access. On the left, you can find a DC-in port, HDMI, a Thunderbolt 4/Type-C port, and a convenient microSD card reader, while on the right sits your two USB 3.2 Type-A ports, your 3.5mm combo jack, and two LED indicator lights for power and charging respectively. At the bottom, here's where you can find your speaker grills on each side, and we appreciate that cool design we have going for the passive vents. Now, opening the lid does a couple of cool things. If you notice, we have some rubber feet here that actually prop right up when you open the lid, and at the same time actually raises the rear end of the machine. By doing so, it gives proper airflow access underneath to keep the Modern 14 running cool, which is good to know. Lifting up the lid also reveals your chiclet style keyboard, and because the keys are spaced out pretty well, typing for long sessions is quite nice on this laptop. Each key has a 1.5mm travel, and the backlit keys will definitely keep your night sessions well illuminated. At 1.3 kilograms or 2.9 pounds, the MSI Modern 14 is not that hard to carry around. It also has a size of 319 by 219 millimeters and has a height of 16.9 millimeters or 0.66 inches, making this an easy chuck into the bag. The MSI Modern 14 features a 14-inch Full HD IPS level display, and what's nice about this screen, apart from its vividness, is how usable this can also be in bright environments. And this alone can actually be a make it or break it factor, especially for people who are always working on the go who need that bright screen. But not only is this thing bright, but we're also happy to announce that this laptop is indeed going to be coffee shop friendly if you're into that as well. But if you're not, it's still a great display to get some work done and is a perfect size for portability, so in any case, it's going to be a win-win over here. As mentioned earlier, the MSI Modern 14 B11M is packed with Intel's latest 11th generation processor and boasts Intel Iris Xe graphics, perfect for day-to-day use, and even a little bit of gaming, which is really great to see. Down to the specifics, we've got an Intel Core i7-1165G7 sporting 4 cores and 8 threads. It's clocked at 2.8 GHz and maxes out at 4.7 GHz for single core and 4.1 GHz with all its cores combined. As for memory, we have 8 GB installed out of the box, but according to MSI's official website, it looks like we can upgrade this to a generous 32 GB of RAM, although 8 GB is already working out pretty well for us right now. Now obviously, this isn't a gaming laptop by any means, but the fact that things like Genshin Impact and even some light video editing worked out pretty well without any hiccups is a pretty good sign that this can mean business if needed. The MSI Modern 14 is priced at 58,995 pesos, and with that sleek aluminum construction, solid build quality, and of course Intel's 11th gen processors coupled with Intel Iris Xe graphics, this is looking to be a great solution for someone who's looking for a quick and responsive machine that's easy to lug around wherever you go.
Stay tuned as we have more upcoming stuff for you guys, but until then, what do you guys think about this machine? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.